Hello my families, how are you? And welcome. Today we'll see about family members, okay? As family member is the best to any group or to any people around. So we'll see about family and their members, okay? As we see, families, persons, okay? They are persons who are related with blood, okay? Or persons who have blood relationship can be called family. So we'll see about members of a family, okay? Members of a family. And in our language, okay, family means what? ቤተሰብ, okay? ቤተሰብ means family, okay? In American language, ቤተሰብ means family. So we'll see about each of the family members in American language. So if you are asked that, what does family mean in American language, then you're gonna say what? ቤተሰብ, okay? ቤተሰብ means family, okay? ቤተሰብ means family. We'll see about that. Okay, now let us see members of a family, okay? Members of a family. In Amharic, members of a family means የቤተሰብ አባላት, okay? የቤተሰብ አባላት means members of a family, okay? So የቤተሰብ means it's a family. Whereas አባላት means members, okay? This one. አባላት means members. So members of a family means in English, members of a family means, then in Amharic it means what? የቤተሰብ አባላት, okay? የቤተሰብ አባላት. So የቤተሰብ አባላት means members of a family, okay? Members of a family. So let us see some of members of a family. The first one is what? Father. The first member of a family is what? Father. Okay, father, as you can see here, it's father. So father means in Amharic language what? አባት, okay? አባት. So father means what? አባት, okay? አባት. Father means አባት. Okay, whereas the other member of a family is what? Mother, okay? The other member of a family is mother. So mother in Amharic language means what? እናት, okay? እናት. Okay, mother in Amharic language means what? እናት, okay? እናት. The other member of a family is what? Brother, okay? Brother. So brother in Amharic language means what? ወንድም, okay? Brother in Amharic language means what? ወንድም. So brother means ወንድም. The other member of a family is what? Sister, okay? Sister. And sister in Amharic language means what? Sister in Amharic language means what? እህት, okay? እህት. Sister means እህት, okay? So father means what? አባት. Mother means እናት. And brother means what? ወንድም. And what? Sister means what? እህት, okay? እህት. Okay, the other members of a family is that, or የቤተሰብ አባላት. When we see other member of family or የቤተሰብ አባላት, the other one is what? Uncle, okay? Uncle. So uncle means in American language what? አጎት, okay? Uncle means in our American language, uncle means what? አጎት, okay? አጎት. Whereas child, okay? Child means in our American language what? ሕፃን ልጅ, okay? Child means in our American language ሕፃን ልጅ, okay? Child means ሕፃን ልጅ. Child means ሕፃን ልጅ. The other one is aunt, okay? Aunt means in American language what? አክስት, okay? Aunt means አክስት, okay? አክስት. The other member of the family is aunt. And aunt means in American language አክስት, okay? The other member of a family is what? Cousin, okay? Cousin. And cousin in American language means what? የአክስት ልጅ, okay? Cousin in American language means የአክስት ልጅ. So cousin means what? የአክስት ልጅ. So the other members of a family are what? Uncle. The other one is what? Uncle. And uncle in American language means what? አጎት, okay? አጎት. Uncle means አጎት. The other members of a family is what? Child, okay? Child. And child in American language means what? ሕፃን ልጅ, okay? ሕፃን ልጅ. The other member of a family is what? aunt, and aunt in Amharic language, aunt means what? Akist, okay, akist. The other member of the family is what? Cousin, okay, and cousin in Amharic language, cousin means what? የአክስት ልጅ, okay? Let us proceed. Other member of a family is what? Husband, okay, husband. And husband means what? Bal, okay. Husband means bal. Okay, bal. Husband means in American language bal, okay. The other member of the family is what? Wife, okay, wife. And wife means in American language mist, okay, mist. Wife means in American language mist, okay, mist. The other member of the family is what? Son, okay, son. And son in Amharic language, son means wand ልጅ, okay, son in Amharic language, son means wand ልጅ, okay, wand ልጅ means son in Amharic language, okay, so son means in Amharic language, it means what? Wand ልጅ, okay, wand ልጅ. The other member of the family is what? Daughter, okay, daughter. And daughter in Amharic language, daughter means what? ሴት ልጅ, okay, ሴት ልጅ. So, daughter in Amharic language means what? ሴት ልጅ. So the other members of the family are what? Husband. So and husband in Amharic language means what? ባል, okay, ባል. And the other member of the family is what called wife. And wife in Amharic language means what? ሚስት, okay, ሚስት. Okay, ሚስት. Wife means ሚስት. And the other member of the family is called what? Son, okay, son. And son in Amharic language, son means what? ወንድ ልጅ, okay, son means in Amharic language ወንድ ልጅ, okay, ወንድ ልጅ. And the other member of a family is called what? Daughter, okay, daughter. And in Amharic language, daughter means what? ሴት ልጅ, okay, daughter means ሴት ልጅ. Okay, let us see other members of a family or የቤተሰብ አባላት. Members of a family means የቤተሰብ አባላት, okay, in Amharic language members of a family means የቤተሰብ አባላት. So the other members of a family are, here is this one is what? Grandfather. The other member of a family is what? Grandfather, okay. And grandfather in Amharic language means what? ወንድ አያት means grandfather, okay. So in English, grandfather means, in Amharic language it means what? ወንድ አያት, okay, ወንድ አያት. Whereas the other member of the family is what? Grandmother, okay, grandmother. And grandmother means in Amharic language what? ሴት አያት means grandmother, okay. ሴት አያት means grandmother. So the other member of the family is what? Grandmother. And grandmother in Amharic language means what? ሴት አያት, okay, ሴት አያት. Okay, the other member of the family is called what? Great grandfather, okay. The other member of the family is called what? Great grandfather, okay. And great grandfather in Amharic language means what? ወንድ ቅድመ አያት, okay. ወንድ ቅድመ አያት means great grandfather, okay. ወንድ ቅድመ አያት means great grandfather, okay, great grandfather. So the other member of a family member is what? Great grandfather, okay, great grandfather. And great grandfather means ወንድ ቅድመ አያት, okay, ወንድ ቅድመ አያት. And the other member of a family is called what? Great grandmother, okay. And great grandmother in Amharic language is called what? ሴት ቅድመ አያት, okay. ሴት ቅድመ አያት means great grandmother, okay, great grandmother. So great grandmother in Amharic language means what? ሴት ቅድመ አያት. So the other members of the family are what? Grandfather, which means in Amharic language ወንድ አያት, okay, grandfather means ወንድ አያት. And the other member of the family is what? Grandmother. And grandmother in Amharic language means what? Set ayat. Okay, grandmother means set ayat. And the other member of the family is what? Great grandfather. Great grandfather. And great grandfather means wend ቅድመ ayat. Wend ቅድመ ayat. So wend ቅድመ ayat means great grandfather. Great grandfather. And the last one, great grandmother. And great grandmother means what? ሴት ቅድመ አያት. ሴት ቅድመ አያት. Okay. ሴት ቅድመ አያት means great grandmother. So these are members of a family, and we have seen about members of a family, okay, in Amharic language. So it will help you in order to know them in Amharic language, okay. So I just bring you in order to make you familiar, okay, with the words in Amharic language. So they are important. Please just check them well, and you'll practice that, and you'll be perfect in Amharic, okay. So these are some of members of the family members, and in the next class we'll see other point, okay.